Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe. Please click the notification bell as well and click all so you will be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you unboxing. Yes, queen of unboxing. Okay, so and today's unboxing guys is this. So let's see what's in here. Oopsie. Oops. Oh, wow. This is the head.
Attachment.
This is the attachment for the garden hose. Okay, so this is the attachment for the garden hose. So that one. So this got how many thing in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 modes.
Oh, 10, what did I call?
Modes.
10 modes. Oh,
the
so that's
latest.
nice. So this is the
Latest one.
Oh, right. So it's a lot to choose from. See, look at that, guys. It's nice. So I always use shower every time I water
That's
my...
normally the best one.
Yeah.
The normal one.
and I use full when I'm when unreachable.
Is
So
that the jet?
shoot out the full.
Jet is normally the one that reaches the longest.
No, there is no jet now here. I think it's full. Shower, angle, spread, angle. So, okay, so the mode R starts from the beginning. It's soaker. So this is that's like a mist in between mist and shower, is it? And the second one is flat, and then full. So it's all full, and then shower, and then angle. So angle is like that. I haven't tried this before. Angle and spread. Spread is like, so it's like rain. And it's cone. Center. Oh yeah, center. There is the thing in here.
Maybe that's the jet.
Yeah, this only the center thing. And then the next one is mist. So this is the fine.
That's very fine.
Yeah, when it's this is good for like newly transplanted plants. So it's very soft. So it doesn't disturb the soil. And this is vertical. Vertical is like that. Oh no, that's horizontal.
Horizontal.
Vertical is like this. And then soaker. So it's good because there are 10 modes in this.
On a day when it's not raining.
Yeah, I will use this when it's not raining.
And make sure it doesn't leak, because some of them you plug in and it leaks from where you plug it in.
In here,
yeah.
It leaks in here.
If it leaks, then it's no good.
Yeah, because the one that I got now, it's leaking from here, so that means that it's a bit old.
Sometimes it just needs tightening where the connections are.
It's just push in.
Yeah, but
tightly.
You can tighten it sometimes.
And then you can do it here as well.
Yeah, that reduces and increases the water pressure.
No. This is for to make it steady. I don't know what is this for. Normally this is thing, and then you don't need to push it all the time. This, and then it's the water is continuous flowing. But if you don't press it, then it stops. Let's see what it's. It doesn't.
Yeah.
It's different from the other one.
Maybe it's not working. Maybe it's broken.
Because the other one is
Try
it, this one it pulls down, and this one is to make it
Send it
stop.
back if it's not working.
Oh, so you have to use it later and try it if it's working. If not, you have to send it back. So this is very good, guys, to use in the garden. So there's 10 molds. This is very useful spray. So this is for unboxing today, guys, showing you this one. And next time when the weather is nice and sunny and hot, then I will use it so you can see how it
Might
works.
have to wait till next year for that.
Yeah, because as of now, guys, in UK it's raining almost every day.
The summer is being cancelled this year.
Yeah, it's really pouring. It's like
And
hello,
cool.
baby. It's like the weather here is like in the Philippines. It's like monsoon, but the only thing is there's no thunder and lightning.
Yeah,
Just
you get a
heavy
bit of
rain.
that as well.
Yeah, but sometimes, but in the Philippines it's like lots of thunders, lots of lightning. Yes. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Ta-da!
Love, love, love.
Love, love, love.